Hey, sweet friends. Welcome back to Sweet Ascent, where we take your baking skills to new heights. Today, we're making a rich, creamy, and ultra-smooth baked cheesecake, a timeless dessert that's easier than you think. With a buttery graham cracker crust and a silky smooth filling, this recipe is foolproof and perfect for any occasion. Ready? Let's get baking. Before we start, here's everything you'll need. For the crust: 1.5 cups, 180 grams, graham cracker crumbs. 2. 1/4 cup, 50 g, granulated sugar. 3. 1/2 cup, 115 grams, unsalted butter, melted for the filling. 1. 24 ounces, 680 grams, cream cheese, softened. 2. 1 cup, 200 grams, granulated sugar. 3. 3 large eggs. 4. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 5. 1/2 cup, 120 grams, sour cream. 6. 2 tablespoons, 15 g, all-purpose flour. 7. Zest of 1 lemon, optional for brightness. Pro tip: make sure your cream cheese, eggs, and sour cream are at room temperature. This helps create a smooth, lump-free filling. Let's start with the crust. In a bowl, mix together graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter until it looks like damp sand. This will give us that buttery, crunchy base. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch, 23 centimeters, springform pan, making sure it's even. Then, bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, for 10 minutes, just until set. Set it aside to cool while we make the filling. Now, onto the best part: the creamy cheesecake filling. Start by beating cream cheese and sugar together until smooth and fluffy, about 2 minutes. Next, add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each. This keeps the batter smooth and prevents over-mixing, which can cause cracks. Now, mix in vanilla, sour cream, and flour until just combined. The sour cream adds richness, while the flour helps stabilize the batter for a perfectly creamy texture. Finally, pour the batter over the crust and smooth the top with a spatula. Here's the secret to a smooth, crack-free cheesecake: a water bath. Wrap the bottom of your pan in 2 layers of aluminum foil. Then place it in a larger pan filled with hot water about an inch deep. This helps it bake gently and evenly. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, for 55–60 minutes. The edges should be set, but the center should still have a slight jiggle. That means it's perfect. Once baked, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake sit inside with the door slightly open for 1 hour. This prevents sudden temperature changes that can cause cracks. After cooling to room temperature, cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, but overnight is even better. This helps the flavors develop and gives you that perfect creamy texture. Now for the fun part: decorating. You can keep it classic or add toppings like fresh berries, whipped cream, or a drizzle of salted caramel. And just like that, you've made a classic baked cheesecake, smooth, creamy, and absolutely delicious. This cheesecake is so rich and velvety, it melts in your mouth. If you loved this recipe, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a Sweet Ascent tutorial. What's your favorite cheesecake topping? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, happy baking!